What to do with your mascaras if it's over, it's dried, and you're going to throw this? No. So there are various uses of mascara wand as and with the bottle, so you can use in different ways. First thing, to clean your bottle cleanly so that you take out all the product from inside and it's completely clean. And we'll start with what all we can use. First thing, this brush can be used as your, if you don't have a eyebrow pencil, you can use this as your brush and your kajal. Just apply on it and start combing your eyebrows. You will get the same finish. If at all you're a beginner, you can do this. Just apply kajal on your brush and start combing, and you will get a groomed eyebrows perfectly. So this is a use of a wand. If at all it's you're going to throw it, you can it can be useful in this way. First purpose. Second thing, if at all you have any small flyways like your small hairs, you can just spray some hairspray and start combing like this so that you can see it sets your hair, the small baby hairs, so that your it makes it very easy like this is a second way you can use a wand, which is not in use, but you can use it in various ways. Third thing, fill some almond oil and vitamin E oil, little bit in this, and little bit of aloe vera, and nicely mix it. And you can use it for your lashes as and for your eyebrows. It helps in growing and making it thick. So people who have less lashes and eyebrows, you can try this tip. Put little bit of almond oil or castor oil, aloe vera and vitamin E capsule in it, puncture it and put the few drops of it and mix it very well and start applying on your eyebrows and on your lashes. It makes it very easy. You need not have a different container or do it with your finger. You can do with this only. Mix it nicely inside, swirl it and start applying the product as you apply mascara before going to bed, and voila, you will have groomed eyebrows and eyelashes. But this also you need to do it on regular basis. This is the third tip. Fourth tip, take the same brush. If you don't have you are not that thing with the kajal, same thing, you can dip it in the black powder and start combing your hair. You will get the same brow powder kind of. If you don't have that, you can use your black eyeshadow or the brown one, mix it and start combing your hair, your eyebrow, and you will have your eyebrows done with this brush. After this, same thing, the same powder, you can use it for your gaps which is there where your scalp is seen, you have less hair. You can do this and you can see the difference. With this you can do even this. Take the powder, black powder, and start applying wherever it's required. It will act as a brush and it will fill your gaps. few basic ways of using your used and empty bottles of mascara or and the wands, how you can use in various ways. You know, if at all you have any other ways of using this wand, please do let me know in the comments below. It would be fun reading all that because it's a great tip from your end too, so I will be happy reading it. So please do let me know in the comments if at all you have any other various quick hacks and tips for mascara wands. What I knew, I have told you about the various uses. You can do try and let me know in the comments if this was it helpful for you. At the same time, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel as I keep posting new videos and it will be helpful for you. If it was helpful, please do subscribe. It will mean a world to me. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.